Isang mapagpalang araw po sa lahat ng mga kasama sa ating pinagpipitagan ng mga general at ibang PNP officers who lead this movement. Siyempre kay Kuya Boy na siyang general ng mga general at ang aking mga kamanggagawa na kasama ko na tinawag dito sa special ministry to the police to come alongside with them and journey with them. Nung sinimulan po ni Kuya Boy ang BOCSL training, my intention was just to attend and participate in the interactive discussion. Pero 3 times a week po yon ang schedule I think. I found out na more often than not, nagko-conflict yung aking schedule sa klase. Kaya I just resigned myself na hindi ko na lang i-take up yung training, no? Pero one day, may isang mamang taga Las Piñas, si Pastor Jun Matundan, na nakadalo yata ng Friday, once a month Friday fellowship ng BOCMBK. He was so inspired. Kaya tinawagan niya si Kuya Boy na magkaroon din ng BOCSL training dito sa Southern Police District. So, Kuya Boy called me up at asked me to facilitate the discussion of the BOCSL, and Pastor Vio Moncada would assist me. So I accepted and we scheduled the session on a Saturday, 3 hours, taking up 2 modules every time. So nung nagsimula po kami, mga siguro nasa 18 yung mga pastors and leaders who participated, and the most numbers that attended the modules ay umabot yata ng 28. But then as we go on, na-reduce po yung bilang hanggang sa mga huling meetings namin, naglalaro na lang sa 10 yung attendees. There were a lot of newcomers, pero less than half of the modules na ang kanilang natapos. So overall, ang talagang nakatapos lang less than 10, mga 7 lang yata. Congratulations sa mga nagtiyaga talaga at tinapos yung BOCSL training. We were so much inspired by the testimony of the police officers we have invited to join us, katulad ni na Colonel Engel Soriano, sina Major Bongat, Major Ford, Major Golfo. I'm sure na marami po sa atin ang na-inspire to really serve God through the police ministry. Personally, I was so blessed by the BOCSL training dahil lalong lumalim ang aking pagkakilala. Kumbaga roots, my roots in the BOCSL, although I can be considered a pioneer in the movement, pero mas lalong lumalim yung ugat ko sa movement na ito. Dahil dito lang sa training na ito, nalaman ko yung full testimony ng ating 4 founding generals, no? Amazing. And the whole training is actually a narrative of the BOC experience from the outset of the movement up to the present, mixed with the wisdom of the 4 founding generals, and of course, yung mga insightful lessons din ni Kuya Boy na napakasipag, at I suspect single-handedly siya yung gumawa at nag-consolidate nitong ating lesson materials. Thank you so much, Kuya Boy. But I would encourage everyone who would like to journey with police officers na i-take up ang training na ito, kahit pa sabihin natin napakatagal na ninyo sa police ministry, because it would deepen us in understanding what the movement is all about. Ano? The background, yung DNA of the movement would really be imparted to us. Knowing the history, the ups and downs, and the amazing move of God. Nagsimula lang kami, parang handful of volunteers lang pero the way pinalawak ng Diyos ang movement na to, amazing, no? As our founding generals then ay itinaas ng Diyos sa kanilang sphere of influence, so that yung opportunity to minister to the police ay nabuksan ang mga pintuan. So having the same language, and of course dahil sa sobrang laki na ng movement, hindi rin maiwasan talaga na magkaroon ng tares among the wheat. So this training can serve as a sift, a kind of sifting process para maalis yung tares at ma-ensure na what remains are only the wheat, so that we can preserve the integrity of the movement, and we can serve the police officers well. So overall, napakalaking pagpapala po ng BOCSL sa akin personally, and I'm sure sa aking mga kasama na nagtiyaga sa training, we enjoyed each other, yung ating mga insights and laughter. We laughed so much. So congratulations sa mga nakapagtapos, at to God be all the glory. Maraming salamat po.